It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. How to make my ex feel guilty for leaving me. Making your ex feel guilty for breaking up with you sometimes works to get her back for a day or two, but it doesn't last, because a woman doesn't want to stay with a man out of pity. She wants to be able to respect and admire you as her man, not feel like she's obligated to be with you because you're hurting now that she's gone. If a man can get his ex back through guilt, then you need to ask yourself the following. How long will his guilt last? What if he stops feeling guilty? Will he leave me again? Oh, even though she's with me now, I'm not sure if it's because she really loves me or if it's just out of pity. How long can I keep making her feel guilty for breaking up with me? Building a relationship based on guilt and pity is never a good idea because they are negative emotions. Long-lasting, committed love cannot grow and blossom from negative emotions. You need to focus on making her feel the positive emotions that she needs to feel, so that she can recover, start to admire you, feel attracted to you, and feel love in her heart for you again. Sometimes, a guy can make his ex feel guilty for leaving him by doing the following. Begging and pleading with her. Showing her how lost he is without her. Pretending to be dating or having sex with other women to try to make her feel jealous. However, she won't stay stuck in a feeling of guilt for long, because she'll realize that she doesn't have to be with you if she doesn't want to. So, when a man tries to convince a woman to have a relationship with him by making her feel guilty, sorry, or any other negative emotion, he's behaving as if he has the right to stay in a relationship with her. A man doesn't own a woman and a woman doesn't own a man. They are a couple because it's something they both want and because it's good for them both to be together. In today's world, things are very different. Modern women are much more independent. If you focus on getting your ex back through guilt and other negative emotions, you're not giving her the chance to experience the amazing feeling of falling in love with you again for who you are as a man. Ultimately, the best way to get an ex back is to make her feel the positive emotions she needs to feel. That's the power of making her feel something for you again, rather than wasting time and energy trying to convince her to give you another chance by making her feel guilty for leaving you. Love is more powerful than guilt. Making an ex feel guilty by begging and pleading with her things like, "How could you do this to me?" or "I'm broken without you." "Are you happy with what you've done to me?" usually doesn't work, because women are turned off by emotionally weak men. Women are attracted to emotional strength in men and turned off by emotional weakness. So, moments like that, just make a woman look at the man and feel like he is behaving more like a child that she has to take care of, rather than a man that she can look up to. You don't do anything to fix the things that were a problem in the relationship, and that's not very attractive to her. As for trying to make her feel guilty in other ways, for example, pretending to be dating other attractive women, working out at the gym and improving your physical appearance, posting lonely pictures on Facebook and other social media sites. That doesn't work either, because if a woman doesn't have feelings for a man, she'll be thinking, "Good for you, dude. I feel great and I'm moving on with my life. Bye." On the other hand, if you actively make her feel positive emotions of attraction and respect again, then she'll naturally start thinking this. He seems very different now. What's changed? Why do I suddenly miss him so much? Why am I worried about losing him all of a sudden? Sounds better than making her feel guilty, right? Well, here are 2 simple steps you can take that will make your ex want to come back, without forcing her to do so out of guilt or pity. 1. Understand what really went wrong in the relationship. The only way to make your ex feel the positive emotions she needs to feel, e.g. admiring and respecting you, feeling attracted to you, is to face what really happened. When a woman decides to break up with a guy, she usually has a very good reason. 2. Stop saying and doing things that turn her off when you interact with her. When you are going through different emotions, what can happen is that you respond by saying and doing things that, instead of convincing your ex to give you another chance, actually continue to isolate her. For example, you might use every interaction you have with your ex to beg and plead with her to give you another chance. However, begging and pleading usually doesn't work, because women are not attracted to emotional weakness in men. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need. And if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.